If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The Spot Healing Brush tool in Photoshop is like the Healing Brush tool and works better for very small fixes versus large areas in raster layers. A major difference between the two tools is that you don't specify a sampling source for the Spot Healing Brush tool in Photoshop. Instead, it samples pixels from around the area to retouch as its pixel source. To use the Spot Healing Brush tool in Photoshop, click the Spot Healing Brush tool button in the Tools panel. This tool shares the same button as the Remove tool, the Healing Brush tool, the Patch tool, the Content Aware Move tool, and the Red Eye tool, and the button shows the icon of the tool last selected. So, if needed, click and hold down on this button in the Tools panel, and then select Spot Healing Brush tool from the side menu that appears to select it. Optionally, to show a drop down menu of saved tool presets from which you can choose if you created any for the selected tool. Click the Click to open the tool preset picker button at the left end of the options bar control panel and select a saved preset choice. To change the brush settings of the Spot Healing Brush tool after selecting it in Photoshop, click the Click to open the Brush Options drop down button in the Options bar control panel to show a drop down menu of brush options. These are the same options as when setting brush options for the background eraser tool, minus the tolerance setting as discussed in the earlier lesson titled How to Use the Background Eraser tool in Photoshop, so we will not review them all here for brevity's sake. To select the blending mode of the tool, select a choice from the Mode dropdown in the Options bar control panel. To select the type of spot healing to apply, click the desired Type button in the Options bar control panel. Clicking Content Aware replaces what you paint over with content matching the surrounding pixels. Clicking Proximity Match samples pixels around the edge of the selection. Clicking Create Texture takes Proximity Match one step further by sampling all the pixels in the selection to create a texture to fix the flaw. If needed, to sample and repair from all raster layers in the image instead of the selected layer in the Layers panel, check the Sample All Layers checkbox. To set the brush angle, if you didn't set it within the Brush Options panel, enter it into the Set the Brush Angle field in the Options bar control panel. To toggle using pen pressure for size on or off, click the Always Use Pressure for Size when off Brush Preset Controls Pressure button. After selecting the settings for the Spot Healing Brush tool, click or click and drag over the area in the selected raster layer to correct. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.